Steve again from the Steve Henry Show, wishing you a happy new year, 2022. Now, what does that mean? Well, the number 22, as I reflect, means something to me. I'll tell you what it means. The first 22, get this right, the first 22 people that get the question of the day right on the Saturday live show, I'm going to send out 22 envelopes, and you know what they're going to have in them. That's right! They'll have something big, baby. That's right. So, the first 22 people that respond to the question that I'm going to pose on Saturday, first come, first serve, first 22, will have an envelope in the mail on Monday with some cash in that. And that question is going to be pretty good. It's going to relate to the show. So be ready for that. That's going to be kind of cool. Also, big news. I bought another Jeep. I know. I said no more. Well, I bought a 2014 blue Jeep and I just couldn't resist. And so we're going to give this away on February 22nd. That's right here live in studio, Saturday, February 22nd. But how do you get that Jeep, Steve? Well, you got to go. You got to be in the email. See that spin here, baby? That's the $200 spin. We spin everything. We're and by the way, do we not do things big here? That's right. Big. This is my champagne glass, baby. And I tell you what, we're going to do everything big in 2022. I may not live to be 2023, so we're going to do it all in 22, or we're going to at least try to. And you, because it's your show, you're going to be the recipient of this. That's right. It's a cooking show. It's an entertainment show. It's a giveaway show. We give everything away. We try to anyways. And by the way, we're starting to make a little money, so you know what that means. Yes, it's going your way. And, everybody likes a little money, of course, and that's what we do. I just want to enhance your lives and through the show, because it is your show. Your participation is incredible. The numbers keep going up and up and up. And I'm so grateful. I can't begin to tell you how grateful and thank you the entire staff and me are for you, and just you participating every week in the comments, and you're playing the commercials. Yeah, you're not a skipper, baby. You actually watch those commercials, because that's where the revenue's coming from. So I know these things. Happy birthday. Yes, we've got some birthdays. A dear friend, you know who I'm talking about. Your birthday's on Thursday, my good friend. Yes, Miss Bernard. I love you, and I love your family. You have a wonderful, good Christian family, and you're doing such a great job as a mother. So happy birthday to you, Miss. Also, I got other birthdays. I got other announcements. This show is going places, ladies and gentlemen. This Saturday, check this out. Now, I know it falls on New Year's Day. Maybe some of you got that little problem in the back of your head, like a church bell going off, bang, bang, and I'm way too much for you on a day like today. Well, I'm sorry about that. I'm just overly jubilant because things are happening here. Okay, so it's New Year's Day, and what do I bring to a New Year's Day party? Or how about this? You had your party last night. Okay, so you missed the hors d'oeuvre thing, but hey, there's the playoffs, there's the Super Bowl, there's all kinds of neat stuff happening. What do I bring, Steve? Well, you tune into the Steve Henry Show for that reason. I have some zucchini sitting here. You know what we're going to do with these zucchini? We are going to transform these zucchinis into a spike that goes into a mug that you can eat the whole thing, including the palm of your hand. Yeah, you want to see the presentation of that. That's coming this Saturday, 4 o'clock Mountain Time. You don't want to miss that. And along with that, we're going to also do something that's really cool. It's called a High Delight. It's actually a sandwich, an Armenian cracker bread sandwich rolled up. These are finger foods, loved ones, that you can carry on your plate and throughout a party. So if you're having a party, you got people coming over for the playoffs or the Super Bowl, these are things you're going to want to do because you're going to wow them. That's why you tune in to a show like the Steve Henry Show. Enough said. I will see everybody Saturday. We're back live, and I miss you all. We can't wait to see you 4 o'clock Mountain Time. Tune in because it's going to be one heck of a boom 2022 type show.